This tree branch is driving me crazy. We'll let it be a part of the video because it's a special tree branch. If you guys hear that kind of tapping sound, I'm pretty sure there's a woodpecker somewhere. Really? That woodpecker is loud. I kind of want to go make a video. Okay. Now what's it going to be about? I don't know. So this video is going to be kind of like the last vlog that I did. Just kind of not anything specific. Just me outside. In fact, you know what? We're going to try and make this one a little bit more fun. So it's more of kind of like a adventure instead of just me talking. So we're going to go find something to do, and it's going to be really fun. What am I going to do? Climb a tree? They're all pokey. I can't climb a pokey tree. Well, I can, and I did. In fact, I'm pretty sure it was that pokey tree. Do you guys remember me climbing a tree? I showed it in one of my videos a long time ago, and I showed me trying to climb a tree, and it didn't work out very well. So as you guys all know, St. Patrick's Day is coming up soon. St. Patrick's Day is going to be this Tuesday, I believe, and I will have a special video coming out, hopefully either on St. Patrick's Day or right before it, so be looking for that. You know what? We're gonna try and find whatever it is that's making this sound. Guys, I just found that woodpecker. Okay, I'm gonna try and see if I can zoom in on it so that you guys can see it. So, yeah, I see it right now. That little bird. There's that darn woodpecker. Of my favorite trees. I just found it last year actually. It's a peach tree, and what had happened was I had found it and there was some peaches growing on it, and I was like, oh, those look so good, but they weren't quite ready yet. So I waited probably like a week before I came out to the tree again, and then the birds had come up and eaten all the peaches off of it, and I was too late, so that really sucks. And then I just saw it again the other day, and these little flowers were just beginning to bloom on it, and I was like, oh, those are so pretty.
Music make you lose control.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and comment saying whatever you want to say, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!